All right, guys, special Espresso Mike today with my favorite barista, Madison, or Maddy. She brought a coffee for us, Springbok Coffee Roasters Restoration Blend from Charleston. Maddy, where'd you get this coffee?
It was at the Rise Coffee Bar in Charleston.
All right, we're gonna try espresso. Now, you're only 17, so you're not an espresso drinker.
No.
All right, so we're gonna try it. Let's see how it tastes. So, Maddy, this is Restoration Blend, and it says, according to the bag, it's from Central America, and it has notes of dark chocolate, tofu, and hints of ripe plum, okay? And again, you're not an espresso drinker, but you're gonna try this one with me, okay?
We'll see.
Any other things that you like the coffee shop you got this from?
Yes.
Oh, good, cool. All right, so here we go. You'll give your opinion first, and then I will tell you what it really tastes like after, okay?
It's not bad.
Maddy, any other thoughts? It's nice and creamy, it has nice
Yes.
crema, it's nice and smooth, it's a little bit lighter, a tad bit bitter, but that's kind of what I would say is typical for an espresso. Your thoughts?
My thoughts. It's fruity. I can taste the plum in it. It's good.
Okay, so I think it's a little limey. And I can taste subtle notes of plum, but it has a nice, really clean and crisp finish as an espresso. All right, Maddy, so out of 100, okay?
Okay.
Anything over 90 is like really good, like world class, all right?
Okay.
And anything like 75 or below, not good, right?
I'll give it an 85.
An 85?
Yes.
That is a strong rating, okay. I think it's quite good. I rate this one from Springbok, and what coffee shop?
Rise Coffee Bar.
Restoration Blend, and 88. It's a nice,
Ooh.
light, summer style espresso. I like it. Thanks, Madison.
You're welcome.